we can mention the reference number of your study or from HAZOP what you have done, so that if somebody want to challenge, they can read the reference of your study, and we can rule out there is no possibility of hydrate formation across RO due to less differential pressure and no moisture in the LPG. Good guys, so I think for no flow, any other reason for no flow? Okay. Okay, so after this no flow, I would go for high flow, because there is a high flow possibility is there due to the high pressure of nitrogen or high liquid level. So Kedar, how we can ensure that there is a no flow, and what is the causes of no flow?
No flow or high flow?
More flow.
More flow, yeah. Actually, what happened, once we have this RO, so we have then the flow through the RO is a maximum limitation that will be go to the flare. So whatever we can say as a size.
This RO is a safeguard. Don't go for this. I would say that more flow is possible if the nitrogen pressure is more than 200 bar G. So there is a possibility of more flow. This is only one cause for more flow. Other valves are full bore open. There is no possibility. If, say, for example, you are saying, and during purging or during depressurization, the company has, the operation team has to increase the pressure of 200 psi. If in case this nitrogen valve PRV is failed and nitrogen goes more than 200 psi, so if this is more than 200 psi, that means there is more flow through the system. Am I right?
Yeah, it's depend upon how much they are providing. That's why what I understood from the operation. So they are going to pressurize at the nitrogen at the 200 psi, but the flow for that one is to be the vary from the 1000 to 3000 to like an 5000 SCFS. It's depend upon in how much time you want to go to depressurize that vessel. In that, all these activities is depend on that operation. Mr. Kumar,
worst case scenario, I have to consider the more pressure of nitrogen can create more flow. Kumarsan, what is your opinion?
Actually, we are not expect the high pressure on this bullet because of our PSV set is 250.
Yeah, this is safeguard.
So, I mentioned that. So always we are maintaining lower than that pressure. So 200 pressure, normally we are maintaining 200 psi. And if you open the valves and if you flow through the 7 mm RO, then whatever the flow is max.
So the pressure is the orifice.
Yeah, and
what's normally the highest pressure from our nitrogen source, because that's the highest we can get.
The nitrogen resources is different. We are pumping whatever we needed, but we are the limitation. Not more than 200 psi. Not more. Even if you are pumping more than 200 psi, then we have the safeguard for the PSV.
No, that is actually, see, Kumarsan, that I agree with you. PSV and RO is safeguard. First, let us find out the cause. So, cause, I am saying that there is possibility of high nitrogen pressure. So, if you agree with me, then we can take that cause. Then we can say PSV is there, RO is there. That is safeguard. So, first we need to find out the cause. Cause, I think cause is there.
Where's the more flow? Where's the more flow? Is this more flow?
That's what
pressure?
The question, yeah.
It's linked.
More flow.
Where is it? Where's the flow going?
More flow.
It's governed by the orifice, yeah. So where are we seeing this?